Hi, this is Paramita. Today we are going to discuss what is Agile. Is it a tool? Is it a development tool or is it a framework? Is it a testing tool? No, it's not any tool. Agile is actually a mindset. You can say it's a philosophy, mindset. Now, if you go to the Agile Manifesto website, you can see it has four values. Agile has got four values and 12 principles. When we follow those four values and we apply those 12 principles of Agile, we can say that we are Agile. We can apply Agile in information technology industry for developing softwares or in any other industry, or not only that, we can apply Agile in our private life also, in our family. Okay, in our family, in any business. Okay, Agile can be applied anywhere. It's a mindset. So what's the Agile mindset then? Here you can see there are four values of Agile. It values number one, individuals and their interactions over processes and tools. That means in Agile, we value individuals and the interactions between those individuals rather than processes and tools. That doesn't mean that there will not be processes and tools. There will be processes and tools, but Agile emphasizes on individuals and their interactions more. Like in software industry, if you say in a IT company, what happens? There will be developers, testers, managers, okay, and even the customers for whom we are developing the softwares, the customers or customer representatives, they all are the individuals, the stakeholders for the project. So in Agile, we emphasize on those individuals and their interactions more. Number two, it values working software over comprehensive documentation. That means in Agile, we focus on the working software more rather than the documentation. It doesn't mean that we don't need documentation at all. It's not like that, but just the enough documentation. The focus should be on developing the working software. The software should be working. That should be the purpose in Agile mindset. Number three, it values customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Previously, in traditional sequential development method like waterfall, all the requirements like there should be a contract between the IT company and the customers, that what the customers need and what they are going to develop, what features they are going to develop, how they are going to development and how long it's going to take, how testing will be done. Everything was agreed between the two parties, the customers and the IT companies. They used to be agreed and signed also. Okay, so that's very important. But in Agile, maybe there will be some contracts, but everything is not fixed in the beginning, like what they're going to develop. Everything is not fixed in the beginning. By the time they start the developing and all, the customer can make changes. Maybe in the beginning the customer is not decided also that what exactly he needs. By the time they start the development and all, gradually they will understand that what exactly they need for their business. So in Agile, the customers are involved from the beginning. Okay, during the designing and all, the developers and the IT company, they take the feedback from the customer. Whatever they are doing, is it the thing they really want or not? And even the customer, if the customer see that no, this is not exactly what he wants, he can explore, he can explore his ideas with the IT company, that he wants like this. So as per that, IT company can decide and can make the changes in their development. Okay, so they always collaborate with the customer. So they emphasize on customer collaboration over the contract and negotiation. So agile is more flexible. There is scope for changes. Number four, agile values responding to change over following a plan. As I was already discussing before, in traditional waterfall method, the plan is made in the beginning on the basis of the requirement and all, and it's quite fixed. Once the plan is made, it cannot be changed. They will follow the plan, and as per that they will do the development, testing, everything. But in agile, there will be some high level plan, but it's not fixed. During the development, customer may change their mind. They may think it happens for a lot of reasons, like nowadays market is uncertain. New technologies are coming, a lot of competitors are in the market. Maybe the customers will need some new features. So during the development they can change their mind, their need can change. So according to that, they may need to do some changes. In agile, there are a lot of scope for that. In agile mindset, we allow those changes. Okay, as per the customer's needs, we make changes in our plan, we make changes in our development and procedures, and we do those changes even at late in development. But there may be some changes which are really major, involve a lot of fund and major changes. In that case, maybe they will need some approval and all. But otherwise, agile always give emphasis, like always emphasizes on customer satisfaction, and for that they do the changes also. Okay, so agile is more flexible, more quick, and more efficient because of this reason. Why agile? As I already discussed the values of Agile, on that basis, we can say that Agile empowers people. People get more freedom in Agile environment. Agile builds accountability. Every person is accountable for their job. Agile encourages diversity of ideas. All the individuals in team, they can explore their ideas. Agile allows the early release of benefits. In most of the agile development, what happens? The whole software development process is divided in few parts. Okay, so in few parts or pieces, so each piece is released. We can see the benefit from that piece. That means when the first piece is released, the customer can deploy that in his business and he can see if he is getting any benefit from there. Okay, so that's how agile allows the early release of benefits. Agile promotes continuous improvement, yes. Then it allows decisions to be tested and rejected early with feedback loops, providing benefits that are not as evident in waterfall. Yeah. Unlike waterfall, in agile, what happens? They divide the development in pieces. So maybe when the first piece is released and the customer deploy it in their business, if the customer says that it's benefiting them, it's going to be popular, they can continue with the development till end. But in case if they see that the software they developed, the first phase, is not becoming popular, it's they are in the market, it's not going to be popular, it's not going to give any benefit to their business. If they want, they can postpone the whole project. That's how they can save money and time. They will not face a lot of losses. Instead of that, they can postpone that project, they can go for some other project which will be beneficial for them. That's a big advantage with the agile, which we can't get in the waterfall. There are a range of agile development models. Mainly all of them are based on iterative approach in creating software. In this approach, the software application is built in progressive small pieces, each new piece adding to the features developed in the previous iteration. Agile development focuses on early delivery of working software to the customer. In agile development, early feedback from customer is received as the customers are involved from the beginning throughout the project. Because of early feedback from customer, required changes and modifications are done in software before delivery easily, and in this way there is less risk of surprise. So quick delivery and early feedback from customers contribute to high customer satisfaction. 12 principles of Agile Manifesto. If you go to the Agile Manifesto website, you can see 12 principles. What are those? I'm just reading them. Number one, our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. Number two, welcome changing requirements, even late in development. Agile processes harness change for the customer's competitive advantage. Number three, deliver working software frequently, from a couple of weeks to a couple of months, with a preference to the shorter timescale. Number four, business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. Number five, build projects around motivated individuals. Give them the environment and support they need and trust them to get the job done. Number six, the most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and within a development team is face to face conversation. Number seven, working software is the primary measure of progress. Number eight, agile processes promote sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Number nine, continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhances agility. Number 10, simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential. Number 11, the best architectures, requirements, and designs emerge from self organizing teams. Number 12, at regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. Most popular agile methodologies are Scrum, Extreme Programming, Crystal Methods, Feature Driven Development, Dynamic System Development Method, Kanban, Lean Systems, and Software. Some myths about Agile which are not true. Agile is anti methodology. It's not true. No documentation is necessary. That's not true as well. No design or planning. Agile is new. Developers get to do what they want to do. All user stories should be the same size. Stories must complete in one sprint. No, all of these are myths. These are not true about Agile. Thank you for watching.